أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today in this video lecture I will like to discuss about the MCQs Computer Science. These MCQs are mostly repeated in previous test of lecturers in computer sciences as well as subject specialist in computer science. Question number 1. The main characteristic of the fifth generation computer is option A, artificial intelligence, option B, weather forecasting, option C, for games, and option D, all of the above. So in this case the correct option is A, artificial intelligence. This one. Question number 2. Which is the first generation to use of floppy disk? Option A, second generation, option B, third generation, option C, fourth generation, option D, fifth generation. So third generation was the first generation who uses the use of floppy disk. So the correct option is option B, third generation. Question number 3. A CPU contains which of the following components? A, CU. CU stands for control unit. B, ALU, arithmetic logic unit. C, registers, and D, all of the above. So in this question the correct option is D, all of the above, because CPU contain CU, LU and register as well. So the correct option is D, all of the above. Question number 4. A CPU enclosed in one IC is called. IC stand for integrated circuit. A, AU. AU means arithmetic unit. B, CU. CU stand for control unit. C, microprocessor, and D, LU, logical unit. So the correct option is option C, microprocessor. Question number 5. Which of the following belongs to output device? Option A, scanner, option B, keyboard, option C, CD writer, option D, none of the above. So the CD writer, option C, is the correct one because it is in output devices. Scanner, keyboard are input devices. So in this case the correct option is C, CD writer. During the execution process, the program resides in option A, secondary memory, option B, cache memory, option C, main memory, option D, virtual memory. So for execution of a process to be reside will be in the main memory. All processes when start execution it loads into the main memory. So at the program reside in main memory during execution. So in this case the correct option is C, main memory. Question number 7. A digital computer performs its computation by analogy. Option A, B, counting, C, guessing, and D, comparison. So digital computer perform its computation by counting. The correct option is B. Option B. Counting. Question number 8. Which port of the computer is called its port? Question option A. Memory unit. Option B. Logical unit. Option C. Control unit. Option D. Physical unit. So in this case we have the correct option C. Control unit. Question 9. An ALU unit performs. ALU stand for arithmetic logical unit. A. Arithmetic operation. B. Logical operation. C. Mathematical operation. And D. Both logical and arithmetical. So in this case we have the correct option, the option D, both logical and arithmetical. Question number 10. Computer operations are synchronized by A. The bytes, B. The CPU clock, C. Digital computer, and D. E-time. So computer operation are synchronized by the CPU clock. The correct one is B. Question number 11. What was the main idea of John von Neumann for developing EDVAC? EDVAC, EDVAC stand for Electronic Digital Variable Automatic Computer. A. To perform logical operation. B. To perform arithmetic operations. C. To store programs. And D. None of the above. So the EDVAC were used to store programs. The correct one is option C. To store programs. Question number 12. The clock speed of the computer is measured in A. Microseconds, B. Nanoseconds, C. Megahertz, and D. Megabytes. So the clock speed of a computer is measured in megahertz. Option C. In offline devices is one that doesn't have direct communication with A. The memory, B. Central processing unit, C. The arithmetic and logical unit, and D. Logical unit. So an offline device is that device which doesn't have direct communication with the central processing unit. We have correct option B, the central processing unit. Question number 14. An hybrid computer is the combination of A. Mainframe and supercomputer, B. Analog and digital computer, C. Micro and mainframe computer, D. Analog and supercomputer. So hybrid computer is the combination of two computers, analog and digital. The correct option is B. Question number 15, the last one. The most powerful computer is A. Mainframe computer, B. Mini computer, C. Digital computer, and D. Supercomputer. So the most powerful computer is supercomputer. Option D. So this is the last slide of our video. Thank you for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.